Hi, welcome to the cooking spot. Today we are going to make chili paste. First wash the small dry shrimps well, dry them and grind them. Grind the dry chili in the same way. Next, grind the ginger, garlic and curry leaves. Now, add some coconut oil to the pan and fry the onion. Also grind the fried onion. You can make chili paste without grinding as well. Next, put oil in the pan and add the ginger garlic paste. Then, add the chili pieces and mix well. After adding a little coconut oil, add the dry shrimps, mix well. And add some salt. I added some oil because the amount of oil was not enough. Add the onion and soy sauce. You can also use vinegar instead of soy sauce. Finally, add sugar. Now taste the chili paste. Check the ingredients description of this chili paste recipe. See you in another video.